Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Today, April 29th,
2026, on the Family Life Skills calendar,
is World Dance Day, a day to move, groove, and celebrate the joy of dancing. Dancing isn't just about steps and rhythm, it's a way to express yourself, connect with your culture, and have fun as a family. From the graceful moves of classical dances to the energetic beats of hip-hop, every dance tells a story. Why not learn a new dance today? Try a traditional style from your heritage, or experiment with something new. Dancing improves coordination, builds confidence, and keeps you active. Plus, it's a great way to bond as a family. So, turn up the music, let loose, and celebrate movement together. Show us your best moves with Number World Dance Day Challenge. Happy World Dance Day. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.